Ooh, let's go with these. Some Cortec boots. Now I ordered. Let's get a short look at the box first. I ordered a size 10 Latigo Air road race boots. Pretty cool. Nothing back on there. Let's open them up. Very nice. Whoa. Now, from all the boots I see online, I think they're pretty damn heavy by the way they look. But this is really damn light. This is probably lighter than my regular shoes that I wear. Cortec Latigo Air. Okay. Nice little sole. Cortec emblem on the bottom. No slider. And so forth. Now I went with the white and black one because it matches more of my suit. And I think it also comes in a black, just straight up black. Has that nice, fresh boot smell to it. Made in Pakistan. And the insole's pretty, I'd say, feels like a gelish kind of stuff, so good for that vibration in the pegs. But preferred, and that is the Latigo boot.